A N I C O L L E M S. Let me see. I M N T. O S and J.
What's that?
J
H.
H.
Okay, write it. What's that? Your name.
And B.